Hide away, escape the feeling, break the chains that keep me breathing.
Welcome to 356 Roland Avenue, located in the heart of Midtown Jackson.
Every detail of this home has been thoughtfully renovated, blending modern comforts with timeless charm. Let's go take a look.
Close my eyes, 'cause I can't